Welcome back to the channel. You may have seen that I had a Lenovo Legion 5, upgraded the RAM on it, and I appeared to be quite happy. And you probably guessed from my use of the past tense is that I don't have it anymore. The Legion is gone. I got rid of it. I had the base model, upgraded the RAM to 24 gigabytes and additional storage by 1 terabyte, but I just wasn't happy with it. So I'm going to briefly outline my reasons here. It was big and clunky, meaning that I couldn't take it anywhere unless I had a table. This meant that the sofa or on a bed would be completely out of the question. Now, it did stay relatively cool because it's got a good thermal system, so having it in your lap wasn't a bad thing in that respect. It's more the weight. Now, I should be saying from now that I'm not going to be mentioning the specs, because the specs were brilliant and I could play a good few games on it. Now, going back to the issue of it being big and clunky, I should have expected that. I mean, I kind of knew, even watching other YouTubers review it, and just, it's 15-inch and it's a gaming laptop, so it was going to be heavy. But I just still wanted it. Next thing was that when I was playing the games, I would only play short burst sessions. So why did I pay so much for a laptop where I'm only going to game for 20 minutes or so? I have a PS5 and I have a Nintendo Switch, which I can use for much longer, and the Switch I can use on the go. So the gaming laptop simply wasn't worth it to me. Now, this was the main reason why I returned it. The whole big and clunky thing I could have gotten over, but I just wasn't getting my money's worth. An opportunity came up to get rid of it, and so I did. I got rid of it. There's not much to say other than that the Lenovo Legion 5 is a brilliant gaming laptop, but unless I can get hold of maybe an Asus G14, which would fit me well because of portability, this gaming laptop was not for me. Even the Asus G14, it's very expensive. I'm not willing to spend that much on it. I don't have that kind of cash lying around where I can invest in something like this and not use it often. Now, I had been on the lookout for a Windows laptop, something I can take around with me, and I had hoped that a gaming laptop would have sufficed. I should have realized that the portability side would disappoint. In fact, I knew this, but I kind of wanted to ignore it and hope it would have been okay. I mean, that part was on me. So I'm in no way putting people off the Lenovo Legion 5. This was just my experience with it. Now, I ended up opting for a Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus, which I picked up for far less. And the performance is great. It's got an i5 11th gen processor, 8GB of RAM, 128GB SSD. It's expandable by microSD, which is really good. It's portable and it's fanless, and I'll try and get a review out on this laptop soon. Then there's my MacBook Air M1. I use that pretty much to complete my Apple ecosystem and to edit my videos on. I haven't forgotten about it, but I think it's good to have two OSs. I mean, I grew up on Windows, and Windows is improving every day. Windows 11 is a major shift with increased security and features which are looking a bit similar to Mac's. Sure, it's got bugs and probably will have bugs for at least a year or two, but it's running great on my Surface Pro, because obviously it's built by Microsoft. Let me know what you think in the comments below. A few of my videos have changed recently. I've been doing a few travel style videos. It's a bit of a hobby of mine. I didn't see the need to create a new channel. Let me know if you appreciate those as well. I'll try getting out some more videos on the MacBook Air M1. I am looking out for the MacBook Air M2. I'm not sure if I'm going to get it. I mean, I say that. I could end up just getting it later in the future. But anyway, like and subscribe, and until next time.